Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this session, we are going to talk about what we are going to do after BTech. Most of you people get aroused of this question, so this video will help you out to get a clear path. So before going to the video, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are an engineering student in your 7th semester, the big question would be, what am I going to do after BTech? After undergoing the grueling path of JEE and other engineering entrance examinations, you are at again placed on another crossroad. Everyone has a certain aspirations, plans, and the selections of what they aspire to be in future should be according to these emotions. This is the time when you have to decide where you want to be in future and how you should go about it. This channel has compiled 11 paths that you can follow after completing your BTech. Check these options to know the possibilities of what you can do after BTech. These paths can help you out, or it can answer your question on what am I going to do after BTech. Top options for you to do after BTech. First one is campus placement. If you are someone who has no interest in pursuing further studies, then the campus placements are the answer to your question. Most good engineering institutes have the facility and do offer good placement opportunities. Apply for the placement offers available in the campus, but more important, prepare well for them. There will be no point if you don't succeed in getting one. Try to apply for jobs which interest you while keeping in mind the field of engineering you are studying, so that you can shine in your chosen career. Campus placements for engineering students are on the rise every year, with high packages being offered to candidates with above average performance during their college days. Opportunity number 2. Plan further studies with specialization. This option is only to be taken if you are interested in specializing further. MTech or MS by research is the next step to look into, with a focus on specialization you wish to take up and excel in. Specialization will provide you an edge over others at a later stage, especially during job interviews. To pursue MTech in top engineering institutes such as IITs, NITs and CFTIs, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, that is GATE, is exam to appear for. Of course, there are private universities as well as some states that offer post-graduation through their own engineering entrance exams. Some of these are BITS HD, BITME, etc. and state ones are like APPG Set, TSPG Set, etc. Opportunity number 3. Interested in business and management? Have you increasingly felt that engineering was not your true call? Well, then it's time to look to other options to do after BTech. Management or business are areas that are popular choices even among engineering graduates. You may also be one of those who believe that while you do have the technical known, it's time to equip yourself with management. Masters in Business Administration, that is MBA, is the most popular course and a largely pursued one in India with a lot of scope. Specializations are plenty here too, like HR marketing, digital marketing, internal relations, sales and more. Common Admission Test, that is CAT, is a mostly common taken entrance exam for entry to the IIMs and other leading institutes. Other popular and equally good entrance exams are XAT, NMAT, SNAP, CMAT, etc. Opportunity number 4. Adding some expertise or certification, that is diploma courses. If you wish to make engineering your career but want to have an edge over the others without spending a lot of time on studying further, certification or diploma courses are the options for you. Courses for this such as embedded technology, ethical hacking, protocol testing, machine testing, robotics, and VLSI. These short-term courses will add some specialized educational qualifications to your resume and can be more answers to your dilemma of what am I going to do after BTech. Opportunity number 5. Study abroad. One of the things on the wish list of students is to go for abroad to further studies. It is no secret that facilities provided by the foreign universities are better than those that are available here. If your wish is to explore and experience an entirely new culture while studying, then going abroad is the best option for you. While studying, you could also check the various fellowships in research and development category available abroad. Many scholarships are open to students with full and half funding. Study with the country you wish to go, collect a list of courses or universities to apply, check the eligibility and see if you meet or take the necessary steps to fulfill the criteria. Apply for all available scholarships, and this needs GRE and TOEFL exams to be qualified. Opportunity number 6. Be your own boss, that is entrepreneurship. With the success of many startups in recent years, setting up your own business could be a good idea, especially if you are someone with such an intent. This is one option after BTech that will let you have the freedom to express your creativity and ideas. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows on this path. Starting your own business will require a lot of hard work, patience, and the strength to put up with setbacks. The path will be full of challenges as well as ups and downs that you will need to overcome. Moreover, there will be 50-50 chances of success or failure. Also, it requires a certain amount of financial backup. Check the pros and cons very carefully before you plunge into this option. Opportunity number 7. Crack the civil services examination. One of the toughest and most attempted examinations of our country is civil service exam. For engineering graduates, there is Indian Engineering Services in addition to the Civil Services one. If you are someone who is inclined to a government job, will provide you with much better facilities and a safeguarded future. Then start preparing for civil service examinations. It may be the state ones or the central ones. You will face a tough competition ahead, but with a hard-working mindset, the job can be done for you. After the examination, an interview will be conducted which you will have to qualify before proceeding for training. Opportunity number 8. Serve your country. Always been a patriotic one? Interested in serving the nation? Take this opportunity to join the Indian Army or Navy or Air Force or any other wing. The facilities provided for defense personnel as well as the pay scale are good. So a career would assure you a good future while fulfilling your passion to serve the country. NDA is the entrance exam or AFCAT or some exams that could be the next step after your BTech. Opportunity number 9. Interested in new innovations? If you are someone interested to know more about your engineering branch or any other area, innovations and changes, then you could take up research work. There are many options open in this field of research if you are full of innovative and practical ideas. You could pursue a PhD in the area you are interested in. Check out the research programs open and understand if they are to your benefit. You could also talk to your mentors, teachers to find out more about how best to go about pursuing these programs. However, it is wise to be prepared that research involves a lot of hard work, minimal pay, and the chances of success are also not immediate. Opportunity number 10. Bring a change to the world. If you are one of those people who strongly wish to bring a change, then you could start working for a non-government organization, that is NGO. You could also start one of your own. These non-profit organizations or some means to change lives help underprivileged people in the country. Through this option, you will be able to apply your technical skills to innovate the lives of the underprivileged masses and bring a change in them. Opportunity number 11. Hobbies can lead to career. If nothing interests you as much as your hobby, say music, dance, photography, writing, etc., it's time to follow your heart and make a career out of it. It's time to see if your hobby can be pursued full-time and pay for lifetime. The downside is that you may face more challenges in establishing yourself and gaining recognition. You will, however, get to pursue your passion and live it too. Well, these are top 10 answers to do what should I do after BTech. These are just some options. There are plenty more if the above doesn't suit you. Other career paths include teaching, event management, designing, and many more. Then what are you waiting for? Check out which suits you and pick it up. Now you won't need to wonder what should I do after BTech. You have all these options and more. Get going and make your mark. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video.